Hello, this is Nate Felsing. It is Friday, June 19th, 2026. In this video, I will describe the four major joint types. As we have learned, joints are where bones meet each other. Joints are also known as articulations. Some joints can change as we age. Bony joints are an example of this. They are formed when two bones fuse into one. In adults, the first rib fuses into the sternum. It is located here, inferior to the clavicle or collarbone. Other examples are the mandible or lower jawbone and the frontal bones, which are a cranial bone that forms the forehead. Bony joints have no range of motion or movement. This is known as synostosis. Next, we have fibrous joints. These joints consist of bones that are bound by short collagen fibers. The fibers allow very little movement, which is called synarthrosis. There are three types of fibrous joints. First is suture, which are the joints found in cranial bones. The second is gomphosis, which are the joints between the tooth and your lower mandible or the maxilla, which are your upper and lower jawbones. The third is syndesmosis. Syndesmosis, yes. Its fibers are a little longer, which makes it slightly more movable. These fibers are found binding two bones next to each other. Examples are the ulna and the radius, and the tibia and the fibula. The third major type of joint is cartilaginous joints. They link together two bones with cartilage. Cartilaginous joints allow a moderate amount of movement, known as amphiarthrosis. There are two types of cartilaginous joints. The type of cartilage determines which kind. The first kind is synchondrosis. These joints bind the bones using hyaline cartilage. These joints can be found in children between the diaphyses and the epiphyses, and between the first rib and and the sternum. The second type of cartilaginous joints are symphysis. These joints are a thick layer of fibrocartilage, and they can be found in the pubic symphysis and intervertebral discs. Lastly, we have synovial joints. These joints have a fluid-filled cavity that connects the bones. The fluid allows these joints to move freely, which is known as diarthrosis. This narrow space between the bones is the joint cavity, and it is filled with synovial fluid. The joint cavity has a joint capsule, which is made of an outer layer of fibrous capsule and an inner synovial membrane. So here's the capsule, and the membrane's in here. Additionally, each of the bone surfaces have articular cartilage. All of this helps reduce the friction between the bones. And this ends my presentation. Thank you.